Do I plan on selling it? Do I plan on continue building it? What are my build goals? Mechanically, it's been doing really well. I've been catching up with the maintenance as best as possible. Did the new clutch, had 4 tires, did the oil change, did all the fluids, replaced the spark plugs not too long ago, did the coil packs, all 4 of them. As far as everything else goes, I mean, this is it. I'm so happy with where the car is at right now that I really don't plan on modifying it anymore. I mean, I do plan on modifying, getting small things here and there. I'm still looking for the ARC radiator cooling plate, a Kansai box for my intake. Besides that, I'm waiting on some new seats, which you guys will see very, very soon. And I don't know where to drive. I guess I'll just drive around the parking lot just to talk. But I have some new seats coming from Japan. I want to see what you guys, if you guys want to guess, leave in the comments below. Tell me what you think I got. And these are not bucket seats. No more bucket seats for me. Too many tacos, and I wasn't fitting in them anymore. And honestly, they were just super uncomfortable, especially for long road trips. Decided to get some reclinables. If either yourself or if you know anyone from Northern California and you want to shoot a short film, hit me up on Instagram, send me a DM or email me so we can get some more car features on the channel. And also, as far as the car goes, I don't know if there's anything else that I'm particularly looking for to modify. Like I said, I was looking on perhaps getting a ARC cooling plate for the radiator, but as most of you guys know with ARC parts, they are damn near impossible to find. I just want to have the entire collection with the ARC in the engine bay. As far as wheels go, I was thinking about switching over to some T37s, but I'm not too sure just because I really love the Z40s look, and I've never owned a pair of T37s. I think that would be super clean on the car. I have this high quality suction cup on the front windshield. I don't really have anything for the interior. Like I said, I have some new seats coming on the way. If you guys want to buy these stock STI seats, hit me up, and as soon as I get the new ones, I'm going to be selling these right here. We are almost at 30,000 subscribers, guys. This is absolutely crazy. I'm smiling as I'm saying that with the parts that I'm getting. Again, it's going to be a slow progress. We're damn near hitting a recession soon, so I don't think it'd be the brightest idea to spend all this money on the car. Plus, life is going on. Is hold on to the money and don't spend it, because if we hit a recession, then we're going to feel it, guys. I want to save up as much as we can, and then maybe after this whole coronavirus crap goes away, then we can reconsider spending more money on the car. But as for now, I want to work and focus more on making videos as opposed to buying all these car parts, which I'm not ready for yet. I'd rather save the money, be prepared for the recession, and continue building the car. Like I said, there's no rush. There should never be a rush building a car. It should all be about the process and playing the patient game, especially when it comes to acquiring some of these parts. The other question I do want to address is, would I ever sell the car? The answer is no. I've spent too much money on the car, And honestly, the joy I get out of it overcomes any amount of money, unless it was like $1 million. But this is the one hobby I do have besides film that just gets me out of the real world, something that I can spend time after work, whether I'm stressed out, I can go on a drive. I'm sure you guys know what I'm talking about, but I don't think I would ever sell a car. The only car that I would probably sell this and get another would be a Skyline, possibly a GTR or an RX-7. Again, I'm probably gonna miss the all-wheel drive if I do end up selling this car. It's part of the reasons why I don't wanna sell it, the all-wheel drive system. It's pushing a good amount of power, still on the stock block, E85. Still plenty of modifications left to go. Sunset. The mic on now. Let's get this rolling. This view is crazy. Sunset is nuts. There's no one out here, just myself. Damn, dude, feels like a damn dream. Damn mosquito. All right, let's see if I can get that. Okay, found a rock. Let's see if we can place this. Goes my engine. Imagine it blew up right there. Some swirl marks, but oh well. All right, let's get this camera mounted on there. All right, let's get this shot, guys. I can see where the camera's mounted. Check out my phone. Pretty neat. I can ever sell this car after that pull. There's no way. All those years that I've spent modifying the car, and if I do sell it, then there goes everything. I mean, even if I use, let's say if I sell the car, if I use the $20,000 that I get out of it, probably a little bit more if I part out. It just, I don't know if $20,000 is worth it. Shit for the channel. Just gotta be careful making sure that there's no police around. So I don't want to get state refed. If I do, then I'm probably gonna sell the car. porcelain frame. So I'm gonna mount my GoPro right where the exhaust goes. Hopefully we can get some flames on camera. Let's see. DSLR mounted on my front windshield to give it a new perspective. Let me know what you guys think. Catch you guys till next time. Peace out. See if I can get one more last pull for the video. This exhaust tone is absolutely crazy.